All right, number 13, the most recently drawn entity is the one at the bottom of the stacking order. That is true. The first one that we draw, think of it as being on the bottom. The next one that we draw is above in the stacking order, and the next one we draw is above that in the stacking order. So think of it that way. The most recent entity is the one at the top of the stacking order. So number 13, that would be false. Illustrator, number 14. Illustrator is a vector-based graphics application. Entities are defined with mathematical calculation. That is true. If you look on this info palette, you will see some of the coordinate information here that indicates this is all based on mathematical calculations. Number 15, an alt drag on the artboard while using the star tool will put the center of the star right at the point where you begin. That's true. If I press down the Alt key now and start dragging out my star, you can see clearly that the center of the star was right at that point where I began. 16. A double click on the zoom tool will make the artboard fit to page. A double click on the zoom tool just gives us a 100% magnification here. So the fit to page is actually a double click on the pan or hand tool. That gives us the fit to page. 17. Selecting an object, then pressing down the down arrow key will move the object in a small increment. That is true. 18. You want to put your name on a file. The steps to do this: click the text tool, drag an area with the mouse, and type your name. That's false. The easiest way to just put one single word on here is just to click cleanly. Click and type your name. Done. Finished. Number 19. To remove the stroke from an object. In Illustrator, they call the stroke the outline, or call the outline the stroke. So over here, if I take the stroke off, I need to click on this stroke box first, and then click the none or no stroke. And that's true. You can see that the stroke went away. Let me undo that. And the stroke comes back.